Back in January, the Power BI team made it easier for you to collaborate with your teammates and partners by announcing report sharing in the Power BI service. Last month, they supercharged this experience by enabling you to share reports with filters and slicers applied. Up until now, you've had to take a screenshot or explain the steps you took to configure the report to a filtered custom view. Now, all you have to do is make sure the Share with Current Filters and Slicers checkbox is selected in the Share pane, and the people will see the report with your filters and slicers applied. Power BI reports are shared via an email that contains a URL to the report. If your recipients bookmark this URL, the linked report will retain the filters and slicers, so the report will continue to display just as you intended. Note that the feature is currently disabled for reports with custom visuals, but the Power BI team is working hard to extend this new capability to all reports, including those with custom visuals.